Heto na nga, may panawagan sa ating mga viewers itong ating iniidolo na si Ruel Carino, ang clone ni Matt Monroe. Pero bago yan, please subscribe, share at mag-comment na din po kayo para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga videos. Click the notification bell sa baba. Kamakailan nga, ginanap ang grand final ng Classic Male ng The Clones at narinig nating lahat ang galing at effortless na talaga namang ka-voice ni Matt Monroe na si Ruel Carino. Kaya naman napakaraming tao ang umasa at nag-assume na pasok siya at isa siya sa mga mananalo. Pero ang marami ang nadismaya dahil kabaligtaran ang nangyayari. Walang nakuha ni kahit anong place itong si Matt Monroe clone na si Ruel Carino. Pero huwag kayong magalala. Huwag dapat malungkot. Hindi pa huli ang lahat. Pwede pang ihabol si Ruel sa wild card ng The Clone. Panoorin natin ang panawagan ni Ruel.
Hi, it's me, Ruel Carino, and I just wanted to take this time to announce that I was given a second chance on Eat Bulaga to make a return in the terms of a wild card comeback, wherein you will be given the power to vote me back into the clones, not only me but also your preferred clone if you have one besides me. Eat Bulaga will release a form sometime soon wherein you can choose your corresponding clone that you want to return to our roster. And besides explaining, I am also taking this time to ask for your support, your guidance, and your votes. No, not just your votes, mostly your support, but votes are also in topic. I hope that you will vote me back into the roster, because I noticed that a lot of people are dissatisfied with the judgment that was made last Saturday.
Ayun na nga. Kaya ano pang hinihintay natin? Tara at iboto na natin si Ruel Carino para naman makapasok siya sa wildcard edition ng The Clones. Kita-kits po tayo sa mga susunod pa po nating mga reaction videos. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Bida Bida!